Hello guys and welcome back to DevOps Community once again. In today's video, we are going to set up Confluent Kafka on an EC2 instance. So without wasting any time, let's launch our EC2 instance and configure Confluent Conf. So for that, I'm just going to use Ubuntu. So just simply search Ubuntu. I'm just going to use Ubuntu 18.04. Select the size. What size do you want? So I'm just go with T3 to extra large. Next, click on next. Click on next. I just happy with, I don't want to add any volume over there, so just name it that you want. Yes, I'm just name it Kafka Confluent. Confluence server. Click on next, and you have to add ports 9021, access from anywhere, review, and launch. Simply just launch an EC2 instance. Let's wait for it. So our EC2 instance is just creating as of now. Let's wait for it. It will take 30 to 40 seconds. Yeah, so our EC2 instance is running now. Just connect. So we are successfully connect with our EC2 instance. Apt update. And for that you also need an Java. So let's check Java is there or not. If Java is not, so Java is not there, you need to install Java. So for that, first we have to install Java. Oh, I just forget to use sudo. Sorry. Yes, I need to install Java. So let's wait for it. It will take 1 minute maybe, because it's depending on your internet connection. My internet connection is weak, I think that's why it will take time. So let's wait for it. Once we have Java, then we can duplicate the tar file of Confluent Kafka. Internet connectivity is too slow, I think that's why it will take time. Let's wait for it. take two time or our internet connectivity is too slow, that's why it will take time. Sorry about that. I have to connect my internet again because I'm just lost with my connection, I think. Now we are installed successfully Java. So we have Java as of now. So once we have Java, then we can install wget. For that, sudo apt install wget. So we have wget as of now. Then we have to take a zip file of confluent Kafka in our server. Paste it. So once we have tar file, then we can unzip. So it will take time. So let's wait for it. Once we have tar file, then we can unzip this and install confluent Kafka. Now ls. So we have confluent tar file. So unzip this one. So do ls. So we have confluent Kafka. Just click on it. Do ls. So we have just do pwd for the because we have to set a path in our profile service. For that, we need to set path. vi slash teaching slash profile. In profile, we have to set path. C file. Then we have to echo our path, echo dollar path. So we have successfully set our path, and we have to install confluent Kafka. So for that, you need to give path of confluent. This one. Just copy this one and paste it on Movex. So we have successfully start our confluent Kafka. So just install our confluent Kafka bin. Start. So it is starting zookeeper confluent Kafka schema register of that. So let's wait for it. It will take time. Once everything is up and running, then we can check it on web browser. Everything is running or not. So let's wait for it. Now everything is up and running. Let's check the status. So everything is up and running. It's time to check on browser. It's time to check on browser. So I have to choose my IP. So I'm just pasted my IP over there. So just copy my IP and paste it over there. And I have to use 9021 because our server is running on 9021. So our contrast server is running now. You can check it over there. And if you can pass the data and create a topics and connectors. So we have broker, topics, connects, cache equals. In cache equal, we have some topics. So you can run the query. And so if you just go back on table, so we have topics for cache equal data. So in messages, you can check how much messages and topics are coming over there. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you're facing an issue or any kinds of difficulties, so take a screenshot and post it on comment below. So I will reach it out to you guys. Thank you and bye bye.